Welcome to a space where creativity comes to life. From DIY crafts to imaginative projects, I'm here to inspire you to create, design, and express yourself in new ways. Let's make something beautiful together.
Hello. In today's video, I wanted to take a look at a feature that I found in Canva AI. I haven't really done too much in here. I kind of just looked around, but I wanted to take a look with you guys to see what we can come up with, and let's just figure out how this works. So at the top, it looks like you have a few options to pick, and we have selected Canva AI, which I've also done on the side over here. This box looks like you can describe your idea and it'll bring it to life for you. Under that, it looks like there's also several other options. Design for me, create an image, draft a doc, code for me, or create a video clip. Down here in this bottom section, it says see what you can do with AI. So I'm going to click one and see what AI can do for us. This image of a city skyline at dusk. So let's see what happens. I'm going to select that. And it came up with 4 images of city skylines. Hovering over the image, it looks like I have several other options that appeared. Then download, edit. There's also other options here which we can move, copy the image, report the image, or delete the image. I'm gonna go back to the beginning. I selected Canva AI over on the left and it took us right back to our starting point. Let's see what video does for us. It's thinking, which it tells us right here in the middle. At the top, it says create a video in the golden light of early morning. A dust drifts across a tranquil lake. Look and miss. Soft rays of sunlight pierce through tree branches and reflect on the still water, invoking a quiet, dreamlike mood. So let's see what happens to our video and if it's going to give us our description that it's specifying at the top. We do have a message that says on it, please hang tight while I put this together. Generating your video could take up to 2 minutes. You have a stop generating option here if you'd like to use that. And then a short survey. So let's give this a minute to generate. Okay, so our video is complete. Hovering over it is playing by itself. There's also a play button here, so let's select that. It opened on a different section and it's playing through the video. Our download options are here. It just asks for the folder where you'd like to download and then you can save that. Alright, so press the back arrow and we're right back to our starting position. Another quick find down here is the option to write. The examples, we have a planning document for a charity run event, and the other option here is a blog with sustainable fashion trends. Let's try the charity event and see what it comes up with. And it generated pretty fast. And it gives you an outline of a document, it looks like, and it's just writing the whole itinerary for us. So that's pretty cool. Right, let's go back and let's try the design for me option. Looks like you have social media, presentation, marketing, cards and invitations, and logos. Let's try cards and invitations. Format, it's asking me what format I would like it in. I'll try card. And I believe they are down here in the templates. Oh, so this is just basically filtering out the options that we were looking at earlier. Here's one for an invitation for a 90s themed birthday party. So I clicked on that and it's generating. And it looks like it's going to give us a few options to choose from. Alright, so it gave us several options to choose from. Looks like 4. They are all 90s themed birthday invitations. And we click on that. It makes it bigger. It's like you have options for colors here. You can change the colors. And kind of make the invitation your own. Let's see what use Canva editor is going to take us. And it's going to take that and put it right into a canvas for you so you can do additional editing. I'm going to go back. And this is where we were. So let's try to create something on our own. So let's see. 3 kittens playing in a sunny field. Alright, so let's see what happens if we do 3 kittens playing in a sunny field with the mother cat watching in the distance. I'm gonna create this as an image. Press submit. And it is generating. And these are the images that it came up with. I selected the image and these are the options that it gave. The information that it gave. So it gives the prompt details and it looks like it added more details to what I put in. I put in something very generic. The resolution of the photo, of the image, and then we have an option to boost the resolution. Let's see, we did that. And as you notice, as I'm going through some things, you have the Canva Pro icon. So just be aware of that when you're trying this out. And it made the image a little brighter and the resolution, as we can see, increase. So far so good. The Canva AI feature is doing as I expected it to do, comparing it to other AI generators. This looks like something I would be using in the future, or something that may be useful to you all as well. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And also, thank you so much for joining. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep those creative ideas flowing. Remember, every masterpiece starts with a single spark of imagination. See you in the next project.